Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add Siri shortcuts to the Zoho Invoice application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the More button down below, which is the last option. And then click on the scroll down and tap on the Siri shortcuts button. That's the last option, and here you can find a bunch of categories such as Siri shortcuts for in the invoice section, in the timesheet section, and in the estimate section, and there is also an expense, customer, and dashboard section. So you can find a bunch of Siri shortcuts here. So if you want to add any of these, tap on the plus icon. As you can see, it's being loaded. So all you have to do is saying this short phrase, "Hey Siri, generate the invoice link." So as the shortcut is added and you use it, say this phrase to Siri, and then it will follow your instructions. So tap on the button done and it will be added. So you are free to add more of them. Just tap on the done button and they are added and you are ready to use them. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.